Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So this video is all about Nykaa products haul. I have bought some wonderful products from Nykaa and I am gonna show you the products to you guys. So this video will be a review and unboxing video basically. So I have used some of the products from entire range that I have bought, and some of the products I haven't used yet, so I will be share my experience with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Yes, here are the products that I have bought from Nykaa, and these boxes are quite heavy because I have bought so many products in these boxes. So let's see one by one what I have bought in these boxes. Let's see the small one first. So these are the products that I have purchased in this box. So on number one we have this electric eyelash curler. So basically this is from the brand Allure, and this is a makeup tool and accessories that's written on the box. So this is really cool, and you can see the offer on this box. So it cost for rupees 499 rupees, but I got a offer on this product, so I got this product at 399 rupees, which is very affordable, and this is really helpful for your eyelashes. So you can use and you can buy this product. So this is really a cool product which I found on Nykaa, and these are the instructions given over here. So you can use like this, and it does not hurt the eyelash. It's written over here on the box, but let me tell you that I haven't tried this product. You can see it's totally packed, so I can only recommend you. So once I will use this product, so I will share my experience with you guys on a shorts. With this product you can easily see your eyelashes like a dramatic eyelashes, and you don't have to apply the falsies and false eyelashes on your eyelashes. So this is really helpful. So let's see the next product what I have bought. Guys, next product we have really good fragrances which I found at Nykaa, and I am really fond of fragrances, perfumes, mist and deodorants. So that's why I have found these mist and deodorants at Nykaa. Guys, we have this the Bath and Body Works Dark Kiss Body Mist. So this is really a cool body mist, and I really love the fragrance of this product. So I have already tried the other range of this Bath and Body Works mist, so you can check that video on my channel also. And this fragrance has a notes of black raspberry, burgundy rose, vanilla bean and plum musk. So you can try this body mist also, and you can see the price over here. It cost for rupees 2099 rupees. You can see here. So this is the quantity for 236 ml. You can see here. And we have this Playboy Play It Wild body deodorant. So this is the really cool deodorant which I like the most, and you can see the MRP over here. So it costs for rupees 349 rupees for the quantity 150 ml. So this product is really cool, but talking about the long lasting, this is not very long lasting. About it stays around 4 to 5 hours, and you can choose accordingly. So talking about the long lasting of the fragrances of the Bath and Body Works ranges, so these are really long lasting. So I really love the fragrance of this Bath and Body Works mist. So this is really cool and really gives you a date night effect. So you can choose these body mist also. So next I have this Nykaa Wanderlust French Lavender body deodorant. So this is for the quantity 150 ml, and this is cost for rupees 279 rupees. You can see here. So talking about the fragrance of this deodorant, I don't liked it very much because it smells and feels like you have applied a powder on your body. So I don't like that. Basically when it comes to the body mist and perfumes, so I don't like the fragrances that is kind of powder, and I really like the fragrances which are it tones in the vanilla, strawberry and sweet kind of. So which is not in this one, so I will not recommend you this trio. Guys, next we have this very interesting and very trending Net Habit Fresh Tikta Bitter Neem Gel Face Wash, and this is basically a face wash that contains the ingredients like a neem and tea tree, which is very good for oily skin type of people. But you can see here, normal to oily skin type of people can also use this, as it contains natural ingredients of neem and tea tree, which is very good for your skin. So this is about this product, and this cost for rupees 321 rupees. You can see here you will get some offer on Nykaa. Definitely, this product says this is 100% natural, paraffin free, chemical free and sulfate free product. So it says you have to use this product within 6 months from the date of manufacturing. It's mentioned on the packaging here, so you can always read the instructions on the packaging and on the boxes whenever you are buying any new product. Also try this product, and I have also tried the Net Habit hair oil, which is very good, and it has entire range, entire varieties in the oil. Also they have summer oil and winter oil, and each ingredients are 100% natural. You can see the ingredients on the packaging, on the bottle, so which I like the most. So you can also try the oils and face mask of this brand. This is really a good brand. I can say 100%. These are 100% natural products which you can use in your daily life, and I am highly recommending these products to you guys. So let's see the next what I have bought. So next I have bought this Nykaa foot care kit, which is nowadays really trending and very essential for everyone, because foot care is also really necessary. So in this kit we have pedicure tool, which is Nykaa 4-in-1 pedicure tool. You can see here, and it has Nykaa large nail clipper. So, and also it has Nykaa toe separators. So toe separators are basically used to apply the nail paints. This cost for rupees 399 rupees. You can see here, so you can definitely get the offer on this product. I guess you will get this around 250 rupees. So this is about this product. So let's see the products inside this foot care kit. So this is basically comes like this, and I have already used this product previously, and I like this product. And these are the basically toe separators. So you can use these toe separators inside your toe nails, toe fingers basically. So after using these you can apply the nail paints, and this is really cool product which I found at Nykaa. And after this it has this nail clipper. Basically this is a nail cutter, so you can use this nail cutter to file your nails and to cut your nails and to shape your nails. Next we have this Swiss Beauty Pro Eyelash Glue. Basically this is a glue, eyelash glue. So you can use this glue on your falsies and on your false eyelashes which you are using on your original eyelashes. So this is really a good and cool shade. This is basically dark gray shade. This is not in white color, which I like the most. So this is the product which I like the most at Nykaa, and this cost for rupees 269 rupees. You can see here, and instructions are over here. So always use the eyelash glue about for 6 months only. After that you can throw the product because it's of no use. Your eyes are really sensitive, so always use the good glue for your eyes and good product, good brand for your eyes. So I will be highly recommending this glue, and previously I have tried the Miss Clear glue on eyelashes, so that is also really good, and you can also try that glue also. So this is highly recommended. So let's see the next box, what we have in that box. So guys, next box is here, and it has so many products which is so heavy because these are large sizes product I have ordered, and this is quite heavy. So let's see the products one by one. So number one we have this shampoo, and this is hair mask from the range Bare Anatomy, and basically these are the range for the ultra smoothing shampoo, and this is the ultra smoothing mask. So I am really excited to use these products, and if you are already using these products, so you can share your experience on a comment section. And this shampoo is really sulfate free, paraffin free, and derma tested. So this shampoo and this hair mask contains QT technology that contains ingredients that gives you a smooth hair and ultra smooth hair feel. So this is what I feel this products recommends, and you can also try the other range for the dandruff and for the dry hair issues. And this is really cool packaging guys, I can say. So this product cost for rupees, shampoo cost for rupees 595 rupees, and the mask cost for rupees 745 rupees, you can see here. And I am checking the prices as I have bought so many products. Next product we have this Baby Cupid body lotion. So basically this is a extra moisturizing hand and body lotions which comes with the premium botanical oils, and this is paraffin free and it does not contains any mineral oil, so which is very good. And it contains the ingredients of almond, which is very good in providing the moisturization to your skin. So this is for the quantity 200 ml, and it cost for rupees 999, you can see here. And you can see the date of manufacturing and date of expiry here, and all the ingredients and instructions are given over the packaging. It also contains shea butter and other ingredients which are very good for your skin. So basically the key ingredients are almond, cocoa butter and shea butter, and the other argan oil and sweet almond oil, fragrance, and sodium benzonate. So these are the main ingredients it contains. So you can also try this range and other Baby Cupid range. So I am recommending this body lotion to you guys, and I haven't tried this body lotion yet because I have been using the other body lotions right now. So definitely I will be using this one, and I will be share the experience with you guys in the shorts. So let's see the next what we have. So next I have bought the again body lotion because I really love the body lotions, fragrances, and I love to try the varieties of body lotion and every product. So this is from the range Foxtail, and this is nowadays very trendy, and this is brightening body lotion basically. So you can also try this body lotion for yourself. This is from the range Foxtail Flower Power. So it has the power of flower basically. So this suits for all skin type of people, and it contains a quantity of 200 ml product, so which is very good. And you can see the price of the product here. So it costs for rupees 499 rupees. So for 200 ml it costs for rupees 499 rupees. So you can choose this body lotion for yourself also. So it contains 10% glow boosters with niacinamide, vitamin C, and SPF 30, which is very good for your skin. So this is basically non-sticky and absorbs in 30 seconds and revives dull skin and gives you a glowing and moisturized skin. So you can definitely try this one also. So let's see the next product what I have purchased. So next again I have purchased the body lotion, which is from the range Nykaa itself, and this is basically a body milk, you can see here. So this is from the range Mediterranean Sea Salt, and this is the ingredient it contains, and this contains 200 ml product, and this cost for rupees 450 rupees. So previously I have tried the body deodorant of this range, so I like the body deodorant, so I thought to give it a try, this body milk, and so that's why I bought this. But as usual I haven't used this body milk also, and very soon I will be using this and I will be share the experience with you guys. So basically let's see the product here. So it comes like this, you can see this is it, its consistency is really watery. So this is basically a body milk, and you can use this body milk to moisturize your skin. And talking about the fragrance, so fragrance is really cool and not so hard. So this body milk you can also use for yourself. So its consistency is little watery, so don't mix it with the like you can, if you are using body butter and body lotions, so you can feel the consistency little watery. But talking about the moisturization, so moisturization, it provides a good moisturization to your skin. So I am recommending these body lotion to you guys, you can definitely try these. And let's see the next product what we have. So next I have this Glow Recharge, Energize and Illuminates Your Skin body wash from the range Dove. So Dove is almost a trendy brand which everyone likes the most. So it has vitamin C and brightening serum. So vitamin C is the very good ingredient that contains very good quality to provide you a glow and brighter skin. So this is really cool about this product. So basically it has ingredients which mentioned here, so you can see. So basically the main ingredients in this body wash is vitamin C, and this is really a cool body wash. And if you are looking for a high-end body wash, so you can choose the entire range from the range the Bath and Body Works. So I really love the body wash from that range also, and this I bought to give it a try definitely. So I will be using this one also, and I will be share the experience with you guys. This is basically a unboxing video, and I am showing you the products which I recently bought in 2025, and some of the products I have bought in the end of, I guess, December 2024. So these are the products which I bought. So this product contains 300 ml product which cost for rupees 560 rupees. So I am recommending this body wash to you guys, you can definitely try this. And let's see the next product what we have. So we have this M Caffeine coffee body scrub with berries. So berries are really good for your skin, and obviously coffee has ingredients that detans your skin really well. So it has the main ingredient that it contains is coffee. So basically this is a coffee scrub with berries. It cost for rupees 449 rupees, which is quite affordable, and this is really a good quantity. 200 gram is quite sufficient and almost lasts for about 2 to 3 months. And you can also use this coffee scrub on your body. So this is basically a body scrub. You can't use this body scrub on your face obviously, because this is especially designed for your body. And don't use body products on your face, and it also depends sometimes on the body texture, on your face texture, on your skin type. So this says this is a mild exfoliate to remove dry and dead skin, and indulge in the goodness of pure Arabica coffee. Caffeine and berry extracts all rolled in the new coffee body scrub with berries. So it scrubs gently and nourishes, giving you a smooth and glowing skin. If you are using this body scrub, so I can say you can pair it up with the other Caffeine products, which is very good for your skin. And coffee has an ingredient to remove the dead cells from your skin and remove the tan from your skin. So let's see the next product what we have. So next product we have this foxtail skin radiance mask, which is nowadays very trending on Instagram and YouTube. So definitely you have to try this mask for yourself, because I have tried the Dot and Key T10 mask earlier, so I am quite impressed with this product also. This is really good, and this product contains Brazilian purple clay and kaolin clay, which is very good for your skin and removes the dead cells from your skin. This product is really good for acne prone skin, oily skin, and all skin type of people can also use this product. And you can use this product twice a week as it recommends like that. And this mask targets the blackheads, whiteheads, and dull skin, and it instantly provides a glow to your skin. So this product contains 75 gram product and it costs for rupees 545 rupees. So it comes like this. You can see the packaging, and I have been using this product from the past 1 month and I am really impressed with the results. So it comes like this. This looks very cool and it has a lavender color, which I really like the most. So you can definitely try this viral clay mask, which is nowadays very trendy. So I will be share the experience with you guys and demo video with you guys very soon. So till then, stay tuned on my channel. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like this video and found this video really helpful. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any updates related to my wonderful videos related to clothing, fashion, skincare and blogs. So I will be see you soon in the next video. Till then, if you have any queries related to any products, anything that you want to ask, then you can comment down on my channel and I will be really happy to reply your comments. So I will be see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay rocking, keep loving, keep supporting. Bye bye. Love you all.